Hi, I'm Darcy and I'm here with Job Shop's tip. This week I have 5 tips on how to organize stacks of paper. Whether you're in an office environment or at home, organizing important documents or receipts, these tips will help. 1. Prepare a sorting area. Here I have this huge table to work on, but the floor or any large clean surface will do. 2. Create broad sorting categories. I've written down on separate pieces of paper my categories. So in my case, I will take these stacks and categorize them by position, availability, file, or throwaway. Just set them up throughout your table. 3. Start sorting. I then take my big pile and I start placing them where they belong. 4. Get specific. After putting the papers in your broad categories, then go through each pile and see what can be done next. For my piles, I have to alphabetize them all, but maybe for you, you will need to sort them by date or items or price. Okay. 5. Take a break. Organizing large stacks of paperwork can be overwhelming, so if you need it, take a break. But before leaving your piles, make sure you have each pile properly labeled so you can easily pick up where you left off. In the end, the important thing is to just take the organizing process one step at a time. Eventually, all the piles will disappear and you will feel great and accomplished that it's all organized. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for next week's tip.